Welcome to this video on whether China will use US Treasuries as a weapon. The trade conflict between the US and China continues. Many observers are wondering whether China could use its substantial holdings of US Treasuries as a weapon against the United States. However, several arguments speak against this risk scenario. Firstly, China has lost significant influence as an investor over the past 15 years. While China held 12% of US Treasuries in 2010, this figure has recently fallen to less than 4%. This decline is due to a reduction in holdings and massive new Treasury issuance stemming from the high US budget deficits. Secondly, by massive selling of US Treasuries, China would harm itself. It would suffer significant losses on its US Treasury holdings. Furthermore, the dollar would depreciate and the renminbi would correspondingly appreciate, which would harm China's export industry. In addition, China would suffer from a potential global financial crisis that a sudden sell-off of US Treasuries could trigger. Thirdly, the US might retaliate. The Americans could potentially freeze the remaining US Treasuries held by China, preventing China from accessing them. All in all, China is unlikely to use its US Treasuries as a weapon in the trade conflict with the US.